Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from Zaptist. Zaptist is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the Zaptist free edition, check out our website, zaptist.com. While tools are necessary to create Testing Center of Excellence best practices, you can expect to need a broad range of tools and resources before you start. 1. Software and testing tools. We will cover this section further down the line, but software tools and testing resources are necessary when building a testing center of excellence. You will want to invest in a document repository, standardized testing tools, efficiency metrics, and more. 2. Team development. Bringing on or assigning dedicated individuals fully committed to the automation testing process is essential to the success of the Testing Center of Excellence. You will need experts for the test lead, test manager, test architect, and other positions within the group. These people will be the main assets outside of the technologies you are using. They will use their competency to assess the localization testing process, application testing methodology, performance testing methodology, and more. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about Zaptist, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.